Simultaneous equations. Now this topic is applicable for Sec 2 and above. So Sec 2, Secondary 3, Secondary 4 and also Secondary 5 students. Solve these equations. So the first step is to label your equation as 1 and 2. Alright, you can use either elimination or substitution. Alright, now let's say you want to practice on your elimination. First step, choose the term that you like to remove, that you like to eliminate. So it can be either x or y. Typically you choose the one that has the closest coefficient. Okay, so if for example you choose x, it's 4 and 6. Alright, there's no harm choosing x to eliminate. In this case, let's try and practice eliminating y. Okay, so you have 3y, you got 4y here. First step, make the numbers the same, not the sign, but the number 3 and 4 is a common multiple, it's 12. So first one times 4, y times 4, because 3 times 4 you will get 12y. So everything times 4, so 16x plus 12y is equals to negative 16. Second one, how do you achieve a 12y here? You go to times 3. Second equation times 3, 18x minus 12y equals to 33. You label your equations once more as equation 3 and 4. Now we can proceed to eliminate the y. When your signs are different, one is positive, one is negative, you need to add the two equations. If in another example the signs are the same, let's say positive, positive, then you're supposed to minus. Or if you get, for example, in another example you have negative and negative, same sign, right? Then you got to minus as well. So when the signs are opposite, you will add the equations. So equation 3 plus 4, 16x plus 12y plus 18x minus 12y equals to negative 16 plus 33. Alright, so remove the bracket. 16x plus 12y plus 18x minus 12y is equals to negative 16 plus 33, that will be 17. Okay, so as you can see, 12y minus 12y, we have eliminated the y. Take away 16 plus 18, 34x is equals to 17. X will be 17 over 34, which is half. Alright, don't forget simultaneous means you got to solve for y as well. We already found x, how do we find y? We can use equation 4, equation 3, equation 2 or equation 1 in fact. Okay, so let's sub x equals to half into equation 1. So 4 times half plus 3y is equals to negative 4. 2 plus 3y is negative 4. 3y negative 4 minus 2. 3y is negative 6. Y is negative 6 over 3. Y is negative 2. Okay, so therefore, this is a sign for therefore. X is half. Y is negative 2. Okay, now very quickly we can check our answer by substituting into any of the equations. Let's say you sub into equation 2 as a check. Okay, so for equation 2, 6 times x minus 4 times negative 2. 3 plus 8, is it 11? Yes, it is, according to equation 2. So our answer is correct. X is half, y is negative 2.